I was at a party when I noticed someone wearing the same shirt as me.
Tenan mo nga.
Hindi ka. Binabantayan mo pa yan? Bukas. Sabi ko bukas dun sa kay mama mo. Thursday? Mama mo kukuha, tsaka ako, wala akong pasok. Oo, kami na. Okay daw, bukas. Sabay na kayo, Webes. Sabay na tayo pala, Webes. Ayun na kami kayo. Pumuti na yung mukha mo ah. Maglagay ka na yan? Hindi ka pa naglagay yan? Nakuha na yung peko. Si Lolo hindi mo eh. Hati. Eh yung katulog, yung bago mo, saan natutulog yun? Ah, umuwi pa yun?
Here's all my pieces of cardboard. Might not look like enough, but creativity and some brain power, anything's possible.
And these are all my pieces of cardboard. I think this should be more than enough.
And this is all of my cardboard. 100 sheets. Are you kidding me?
Because of the other twist coming later in the video, I have the perfect plan for my shelter with the given cardboard pieces I have. But I'm going to basically make a 90-degree angle structure. But the feature that I'm going to be adding is basically like a pergola.
Here's my build plan. I'm going to be building a dome. It goes around like this. Triangles have 3 sides. They all have 3 sides.
Ayun sabi niya, konti lang naman.
There's 2
Kaya yung bata, magdurugas pala yung tangkis, kaya papasok mo dyan.
It's going to be a circle, like an igloo.